Welcome to Team Red and to your new obsession. One of the things I love about grilling with Kamado Joe and that's drawn me to this is the lack of cleaning that you have to do, right? We're not talking about, saute pans and, different things inside. We're out here, a Kamado Joe is built almost like a self-cleaning oven. Okay, now if you're using accessories like a cast iron, clean it like you would any other cast iron. The soapstone, get a little bit of soapy water on there. It's non-porous, so we just want to wipe that off. Don't put these things through your dishwasher though. You don't want that stuff sticking to the walls of your dishwasher. So just a little touch up is a great way. But what I like to do is take my deflector shields and my grill grates, and perhaps we've got some excess charcoal after a cook. Now I'll grab them and just tip them directly into the fire and then just kind of let it burn off, okay? And then next time I come out to the grill, I'm gonna use a grill brush and go ahead and grill it off, and then a little towel with a little bit of oil, all right? But use your common sense as far as it goes with what accessory you're cleaning, and a little bit of maintenance goes a long way, especially with this control tower here. So what I'll do, especially after a low and slow, is swivel this open and then take just a little bit of soapy water and just wipe this area down, and then don't forget the bottom side of it as well. And remember, this piece comes all the way off for easy cleaning as well, all right? As far as the ceramic itself goes, you have this dimpling effect, right? Which allows your grill to wax and wane with the heat, and as it cools, sometimes you'll see some stuff pitted in there. Again, a little soapy water and just a little positive pressure, and that stuff will clean right off. A grill cover is something that Kamado Joe sells, a great accessory to have so you can cover your grill while you're not using it. But again, these grills are amazing because you don't have to put too much effort into cleaning them. They're ceramic, they're porous, do not use any chemicals inside the grill itself because it will absorb that, all right? If this isn't your first cook on your Kamado Joe, chances are you're gonna be starting a fire with previously lit charcoal in there, meaning there's still some charcoal. That also means there's some ash. Use your ash tool in a circular motion to knock down that spent ash, and then we're gonna pull it out of the draft door, ensuring that we have proper airflow every single cook. This is what's gonna help us attain and maintain proper airflow, thus temperature. Folks, if I can be a resource to you in any way, please let me know. Again, I'm Chef Eric Gephardt from Kamado Joe, and from our backyard to yours, cheers and happy grilling.